This is one lashing eye for luggage. So you can see this eye can be pulled out for fixing luggage. There are two screws here, so you can see there, and there is the cover. So after installed, you put the cover in, so you won't be able to see the two screws. To remove, you remove the cover first, then unscrew and take it out. Now to install, you see we have these two screw holes, threaded holes. So we're going to put this lashing eye and offer it to the two holes, and we use a screwdriver to get these two screw on. Make it tight, and then you put this cover in there. Like that. So this is how to install a lashing eye for the luggage.